stupid dog. Fucking look at her face. Oh no! She got it.
I've never seen a
Did you
dog
get one?
catch their own tail.
She just did it again, dude. She flares it up in her face. She flares it up like a big donkey. Like, This dog's
Hey! Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? No, that's not paw. Sit. Good girl. Give me the other one. Good girl. Who wants cookie? Who wants a cookie? Who wants a cookie? Lay down.
Dude, I made
Go
a
get
funny
it.
joke. Are you filming a video?
No.
Are you making a video?
Yes.
Why do you have to lie to me then?
What's another cookie?
Come on, I want
Wait.
to.
No, sit. Wait.
Dude.
Wait.
Come on, Laura.
Fox. Go get it. Go get it. Fox, go get a cookie.
Hey, Laura. Laura.
You're ruining my video.
I know. You can make another one.
I'm just gonna dub music over it.
Come on, I need your help with this thing. I want to get rid of it. Oh, man. Laura, do you know what this means?
This is what I live with.
Yeah. Oh man. This is what I Alright. Ready? Are you ready?
I don't know.
Can we get back to work?
Stop.
Turn the camera off. Come on, I want to get back to work here. Notice there's no behind the scenes. Cut the clock out, man. We gotta get back to work here. Turn this shit off. You see what I have to live with, people? I'm trying to get my job done, and Laura's fucking making videos of the dog. I'm trying to ask her questions about people. It would be offensive if like this was out seen by 1 million people. So, Laura, turn the camera off and get the dog off the chair.